The 1930s was a decade of resilience and creativity, marked by the Great Depression and rapid technological advancements. How did people spend their time during this challenging yet transformative era? Let's take a trip back in time to explore daily life in the 1930s. The 1930s began with the Great Depression, a time of economic hardship. For many, daily life revolved around finding work and making ends meet. Men labored in factories, on farms, or in public works projects under the New Deal, while women took care of households and stretched every penny to feed their families. Programs like the Civilian Conservation Corps and Works Progress Administration provided jobs and hope for millions. Despite tough times, people found ways to enjoy life. Movies became a popular escape, with classics like The Wizard of Oz and Gone with the Wind captivating audiences. A trip to the theatre cost just a few cents. The radio was the centerpiece of home entertainment, broadcasting news, comedy shows, and live music. Families would gather to listen to programs like The Lone Ranger or Swing Music by Benny Goodman. Board games like Monopoly, which debuted in 1935, became household staples, bringing families together during evenings. Music brought joy to millions. Swing and jazz dominated the dance halls, where people would waltz and jitterbug their worries away. Artists like Duke Ellington and Billie Holiday became icons of the era. In rural areas, community gatherings, barn dances, and church socials were popular ways to connect and unwind. At home, life was simpler but labor-intensive. Homemakers spent hours cooking, sewing, and preserving food. Children played outside with marbles, jump ropes, or handmade toys. Without modern conveniences, families relied on creativity and resourcefulness to get through the day. Despite the hardships, the 1930s was also a time of progress. People marveled at technological innovations like the first commercial flights and improved cars. The dream of a brighter future kept hope alive for many. The 1930s may have been tough, but it was a decade of resilience, creativity, and community. It reminds us that even in challenging times, people find ways to come together, dream, and enjoy life. What would you have enjoyed most about life in the 1930s? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories from the past. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.